Hey, I'm Alex Kaufman, and I am the co-founder of the entrepreneur community. Over the last 5 years, thousands of real estate entrepreneurs have ditched their ways of doing deals and have adopted the entrepreneur method. And I want to give you a free copy of the Entrepreneur Real Estate Workbook so that you can join them. I know you're not finding as many deals as you want, and you're probably not closing that many deals either. Most new real estate investors spend thousands of dollars on marketing so that they can get opportunities for deals. But when they get to the appointments, they don't know how to creatively offer solutions to sellers, and they end up always leaving money on the table. That's why I want you to get your free copy of the Entrepreneur Real Estate Workbook so that you can learn the entrepreneur method and take advantage of every single deal opportunity that comes your way. And you won't have to spend thousands of dollars just to get it. In fact, I'm going to give it to you for free. Just cover the shipping and handling it cost me to send this to you. Just click on the link below and I'll send you your copy. And if you take advantage of it today, you're going to get 5 free bonus courses to go along with the Entrepreneur Real Estate Workbook. That way you can start implementing the entrepreneur method and start building your wealth. If for some reason you decide that you've received zero value from the entrepreneur method, like the thousands of real estate entrepreneurs who are using it daily, just send me an email and I'll refund your shipping costs. So click the link below and start building your wealth today.